In this video, we'll quickly integrate between Claude Code and Mobile Fleet MCP. So first, I add the MCP server by pasting the command here. And now let's launch Claude. We need to authenticate with the MCP server on our first run. So I type /mcp, select Mobile Fleet, and click Authenticate. A browser window has opened and I completed the flow in my browser. So first, let's see which devices we have available. Next for me would be to allocate one of these devices and continue my development flow, my testing, or my automation. Visit our docs for tutorials.